If you tow a trailer, this is the noise you're probably very used to hearing as you're going down the road. And if you have a unibody car like I do, the noise is amplified even more. So let me hook my trailer up and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. With every bump and pothole you hit on the road, this is what it does. The trailer I tow is just a regular 4x8 utility trailer. And you can see with every little bump, it's moving all over the place and making a racket. And it's really loud inside the car. So I found this gadget online that solves this problem, and it works really well. I'll have it linked in the description below if you're interested. It's really easy to put on and tighten up. So you can either take the nuts and the plate off the bottom or do it like this. Grab an 18mm wrench and tighten it right down. As you can see, it really snugs everything up. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to trim down that threaded part to make sure it doesn't interfere with the chains. Let's take it out again and I'll show you how quiet it is. Honestly, I'd say there's about a 95% reduction in the amount of noise I had in my car. If you find that you still have play where the trailer connects to the ball, there's an adjustment underneath the tongue. Just get a wrench and do it little by little until it's just perfect. Here's another small tip. If you have a key that you lock up your trailer with, just take it and apply one of these little strong neodymium magnets to it with epoxy. That way you can stick it anywhere under the frame and you won't lose it. I'll also link those magnets in the description. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the dinger to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.